Hi, Sarah. Ooh, that's a pretty skirt and outfit you have there. Oh, you do? You like it? Yes, I love it. Really? Yeah, too bad I can't get it. Well, you know, I made these clothes. What? I made these clothes? No way, Sarah, I don't believe you. Okay, fine then, I guess I won't make you any. Wait, so you can? Are you not lying? Sis, I would never lie to you. Fine, you can make me a color. I would like to have it red because it would match me. Alrighty then, I'll be right back. You can just do whatever you want in your room. Hopefully she actually knows how to make clothes. The materials we'll be needing for this are handy dandy scissors and a balloon. Okay, so right now, if you can see that little ring around the balloon that you put your mouth on to blow, we're not putting our mouth on it to blow. We are just going to cut like this. Snippy, snippy, snippy. Like that. So then you should have a piece like that. Whoop! Now after that, you're going to, no, come on. After that, you're going to take your balloon and you're going to cut this long piece 4 times. So let's cut that piece 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, there it is. Since you have these pieces, you don't want to get all these confused. So we're going to go ahead and take this thing off. I don't think it's that good. Hey, I heard that. Anyway, you're going to take this off. Whatever this thingy was, my friend put it there. My best friend. And now this piece right here, you're going to go ahead and you're just going to put it on the collie. So I'm putting it on the collie. There we go. Look, that looks hilarious. Okay. There we go. After that, you're going to take this piece that we just cut, and we are going to put it around this collie dog. So let's do this. Yeah, it takes a while to put on, so patience is the key. Okay, so that's number 1. And now we're just going to put these other 3 on. Now after you're done that, so you should have all 4 of them on. It's hilarious because it looks like it's a gym outfit. Yep, but you can do any style you want. And now it's time for the skirt. Okay, so it's funny because there's like a point here. Does that help? There's a point, you can't really see it. But what you're going to do is basically that point that's here. It doesn't even have to be a little round thing, but I do. It kind of gives you a thing, how you know how big your circle is supposed to be. So I don't know if I can get this on camera, but you just cut a tiny circle. Let me do this. And this is my tiny circle. I'm just going to cut the skirt the size you want it. So you can be creative and make it as long as you want, or make it as short as you want, or you can do anything you choose, because this is your little special, your skirt. Ugh. That's what I have so far. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this the size I want it. Now, I'm going to put this skirt on the little doggy poo. Okay, let's see. Put it through here. Check. Over the leg. Check. Over the other leg. Check. What I like about these balloons, don't use the small ones, use the big ones. What I like about them is they show the poof. This is so beautiful. I love it. You're welcome. Anywho, supper's almost ready. I gotta go. Thanks, you're the best. Aw, thanks for the hug. It's the least I can do. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you at supper. Okay, bye. It's lovely. Hi guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!